Have you ever wondered if someone is really your friend? Maybe they're nice to you, but something feels off. Are they loyal? Do they actually care? Or are they just pretending? Hi, I'm Meghna. I'm a psychologist, and today I'm going to share the 6-star test to find out if your friend is the real deal. Before we get to the test, don't forget to subscribe for more such fun content. Let's get started. First up, do they actually care about your life? Try this. Tell them something important and wait. Do they follow up? Do they ask how it went? If they never bring it up again, you might just be an afterthought to them. A true friend remembers. Loyalty check. Imagine you share a tiny secret with your friend, with permission, of course. If it comes back to you from someone else, red flag. True friends don't gossip. They protect your trust, not betray it. Pride. Now, this one is a game changer. Are they happy for your success? It's easy to find friends who will cheer you up when you're feeling low, but will they celebrate with you when you're winning? Or do they get jealous and quiet when good things happen to you? A true friend claps when you succeed. They don't compete, they don't get jealous, they are genuinely happy for you. If your friend only shows up when you struggle but disappears when you're thriving, something's off. A true friend doesn't just hype you up, they tell you the hard truths. If your outfit looks questionable, a real friend would never let you leave the house looking like a mess. They will tell you, even if it stings a little. Have you ever told someone, I don't want to talk about it right now, but they kept pushing? That's not curiosity. That's being nosy. A good friend respects your boundaries instead of being demanding. True friends aren't just there for the fun stuff. Would they give up their weekend plans to help you move? Would they cancel their plans to be there for you in an emergency? Friendship is about give and take, not just take. So, how did your friend do? If they passed 4 out of 6, congrats. You've got a solid friend. But if they scored 3 or less, well, it may be time to rethink things. Let me know in the comments how many stars did your friend get, and I'll see you in the next video.